Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And a very good afternoon. My name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Muhammad Din. So I'll be showing you how to do question number 33 based on our assignment 2. So the question is convert these equations to cylindrical coordinates and evaluate their new integral. As you all know, this equation is in Cartesian coordinate form. So we are going to change it to cylindrical coordinates. So how are we going to change it to cylindrical coordinates? We are going to use polar coordinates method. So the unknown here are x, y and z. So in order for us to change to cylindrical coordinates, the coordinate that we'll be using is z will remain the same, because in polar coordinates we just got x and y axis. The x will be changed to r and theta. So this is the equations that we are going to. This is the unknowns that we are going to use throughout this explanation. So x is equivalent to r cos theta, y is r sin theta, and z theta equivalent to x squared plus y squared. So by this unknown, we are going to change the upper and lower limit of the integral. So first of all, z, as this integral is for z, respond to dz, so this will be equivalent to x squared plus y squared. X, as we can see at there, is r cos theta squared plus r sin theta squared. We open the bracket, r squared cos squared theta plus r squared sin squared theta. At this moment, we can factorize r squared cos theta cos square theta plus sin square theta. As we all know, using trigonometry identities, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equivalent to 1. At here, we will be getting 1, and we got upper limit of the z is r squared. For the lower limit is negative x squared plus y squared. As we can see, this is equivalent to this one, and this answer is r squared. So we will exactly get negative r squared. So we jot down here, z is negative r squared r. Okay. Second, we are going to change y. Y is r sin theta equivalent to 1 minus r cos theta square. We open the bracket, in the square root first, 1 minus r square cos square theta. At here, we will square both sides. So r square sin square theta equivalent to 1 minus r square cos square theta. We bring this to left side, r square sin square theta plus r square cos square theta equivalent to 1. At here, as you can see, this is same with here, so it's equivalent to r square. So r square is 1 and r is plus minus 1. And if you calculate the same thing at here, which y equal to negative 1 over 1 minus x square root, you will still get the answer about this also. So basically r is supposed to be r equivalent to negative 1 and 1. But then if you see this question, this is our graph y and x. X is from 0 to 1. And for before that, I'm sorry, as you can see, why are we not going to use negative 1 and 1? Because as for radius, we will not have negative answer, and so we will start work with 0. So 0 and 1 and plus 1. If we see the number line, negative 1, 0, 1. What is start from here? Because we will take the half, right? Because when we see x is 0 to 1. If you draw a circle here, the part that for x is only half. Okay, so that's why we just take 0 and 1, 0 until 1. And to explain, for the theta, here will be negative pi over 2. Here will be pi over 2, 180. Okay, so here will be, I will get 0, 1, and theta equivalent to negative pi over 2. Okay, like this. So I'll be rubbing off this first. Okay, so as we got all the values just now, and I've brought a lot of the how to get this the answer, we are going to change the value inside here. So the first one is pi over 2, negative pi over 2, 1, 0, r square, negative r square, and 21, x is r cos theta, y is r sin theta square, and here, starting from here is dz dr d theta, and when we integrate here, we need to multiply with another r here. Okay, so we open all the bracket. What we will be getting is his r1, r square, and r 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, I just write it back. 21 r4 cos theta sin square theta dz dr d theta. So to integrate, first we integrate this first, and when we integrate, we will get (21r4z cos theta sin square theta respect to r square and negative r square dr d theta). Okay, at here I'll be sub in the value of r square. (21 r4 r square cos theta sin square theta minus 21 r4 negative r square cos theta sin square theta dr d theta). Okay, at here r4 and r4 and r2 will become r6. Here will become r6 also, but then got another negative. Negative will become plus here. Okay, I'll continue here. At here, negative pi over 2, negative 1, 0. we add on 21 and 21, 42 R6 Z R6 cos theta sine square theta dr d theta. So this is what we get because Z has we had substitute the value. Then focusing on R. Okay, add here pi over 2 negative. So 42 R 7 over 7 cos theta sine square theta d theta. Okay, with respect to 1 and 0. Add here we can cut and become 6 because 42 divided by 7 equal to 6, and we can substitute pi over 2 negative pi over 2 6 R power 1 1 power 7 cos theta sine square theta minus with 0 d theta. Add here pi over 2 negative pi over 2 6 cos theta sine square theta d theta. Now we just left with theta. So I'll write off here. And I write out the latest, which pi over 2 negative pi over 2 6 cos theta sine square theta d theta. At here, it's quite complicated for us to integrate like that, so we are going to use substitution method. So I just let u equal to sine square theta du d theta equal to cos theta, and du from here cos theta d theta. We got cos theta d theta, so it becomes u du, and sine square is u square, and we just write out back the 6, so 6u square du cos theta d theta. And since we change it to u, so we're going to change the integrate the upper and lower limit as well. So u, when you get sine pi over 2 is 1, and u when we sub sine negative pi over 2 is negative 1. Okay, so now when we change the u, the theta to u, so we got 1 and negative 1. So this means the upper and lower limit had changed, and 6 cos theta d theta is du, and sine square theta is u square. When we integrate 6u power of 3 over 3 with respect to 1 and negative 1, here we can get 2, so 2u3 1 negative 1, and at here 2 sub 1 power 3 minus 2 negative 1 power 3. At here we get 2 minus negative 2. 2 plus 2 we get 4. So we got the final answer. 4 is the new integral when we change this coordinate to cylindrical coordinate. So that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.